See, as FICCI, if you ask me, FICCI does not take any positioning onto dynamic prices or what you call predatory pricing also. Why? Because there are different segments and different ways of operations in retail. E-commerce is one of the ways to operate in retail. Now, e-commerce business model allows them to get certain joint ventures and certain ways of funds, which is purely their choice of working, So, as a industry association, FICCI would never comment onto whether it's right or wrong. It's a business model which each company and each retailer has its own ways and means to abide by. Now, personally speaking, if you say that there are challenges which physical stores are facing, the brick and mortar retailers are facing vis-a-vis the kind of flat sales which the e-commerce are giving to the entire consumer strength. However, having said that, I would say that retailers today should be entrepreneurial enough to get its own means and ways settled with in order to combat this kind of pricing issues. But particularly vis-a-vis FICCI, we would not like to make a comment here. I'll tell you, MRP Act is already in place, Now, MRP Act of Government of India tells you to sell a product not above a point. But there is no act, not only in India, anywhere abroad also, which tells you that you can't sell below a point. The moment you sell below a point, you are doing a consumer welfare. Of course, you don't have to compromise on quantity and quality. If you're not doing that, then you are doing actually a legal thing. But the whole idea is that this is posing a challenge because you've managed certain ways to get those funds, which is probably a restriction when it comes to the physical format of retailing. So the government has to relook and see if there is something can be done on the policy front to give a uniform structure to brick and mortar and to the e-commerce players, so that no one industry is taken or given a favor.